Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can assemble parts in OrcaSlicer. So basically when you try to assemble your parts manually, it's just going to fall back onto the plate itself. So in order to do this, you just want to make sure that both of your objects is highlighted or selected. You can do this by pressing Ctrl on your keyboard and clicking on the objects manually, or you could just click on objects right here, making sure that they are both selected. Now inside, you want to right click on it, and then we have the assemble option, and then it will allow us to be set. It will allow the model to be set to the assembly mode. And so basically with this one, if we move the objects, they will be able to move it together. But if you want to move individual parts, you could just click on an object itself. So let's go ahead and select this one. And basically we can then move it freely. So if we do something like click on the move function and then move it accordingly, we will be able to adjust the objects according to our preference. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.